Most businesses lose leads on WhatsApp for one simple reason, that they reply too late. And by the time they reply, the customer is already gone. But what if your WhatsApp could reply instantly every single time, even when you are sleeping, even when you are offline? Sounds powerful? So yes, this WhatsApp chatbot does exactly that. It converts leads automatically. So no more replies and no missed leads. Let me show you how it works. So at first, the user receives a highly converting template message with two quick buttons by the name of Plan My Wedding and Talk to Expert. Here I want you to know that in this tutorial we are going to design a dummy chatbot for wedding planners, but whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same chatbot for that too. Now the moment user click on this Plan My Wedding button, instantly the chatbot takes over the conversation and sending me a message that congratulations, we are thrilled to help you plan your dream wedding with one quick button by the name of wedding packages. Once I clicked on this button, then you will see the bot will share me the details about all the packages, that is silver package, gold package and the platinum package, including the buttons by the name of book now. So let's say I want to book a silver wedding package, so I am clicking on this book now button, as it is visible that how intelligently the bot is replying to me. Next, the bot is asking me for my full name, so I sent my full name as smart user, and once I send the name, then it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number too. After that, it is asking me for my wedding date, so I am sending it as 17/09/2026, and then you will see I have received one personalized confirmation message from the bot that includes my name as a smart user that I have shared while communicating with the bot, my wedding date, contact number and the wedding type as silver package, exact same that I have clicked on here. And one message, you will receive a call shortly to discuss ideas, themes and next step. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today. This chatbot works 24/7 even when you are not available. And today I'll show you how to build this step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this single tool, you can create an automated WhatsApp chatbot, AI assistant, broadcast messages and many more. So for coming in this page, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, if you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Here, after doing the sign-in process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will land it on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach it, you have to go in this flows feature that are present on the left hand side, and you will successfully come on the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Now I am going to show you the flow of this chatbot. So see, this is the flow that I have created by the name of this WhatsApp chatbot converts leads while you sleep. For creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add flow button, but I am directly going in this flow. See, this is the flow of this amazing chatbot, and trust me, the designing process of this flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. Now let's understand each and everything in more detail. At first, I have selected my trigger application as template selected. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I selected it as in template selected. After that, I I have selected the template. Now I think the question is coming in your mind that how you can create this template. So for creating it, you have to go in this templates feature as each and everything present inside this tool. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp template for your different type of users. Now what is template? So templates are the predefined messages that were sent to the user. It is approved by Meta and it follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. I have already designed some templates here, and this is the template of wedding invitation planner that I am using in this video. If you want a detailed video of how you can create a WhatsApp templates inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to our flow. See, this is the same template I have selected where I added two quick buttons by the name of Plan My Wedding and Talk to Expert. So at the first step, this template is going to be sent to the user. Now for sending it, you have to go in this inbox feature. After that, just select the contact from here. Click on this option. Next, select the template from this list that I am selecting as wedding planner and upload one image related to business by selecting it and click on this insert button. After that, click on the send button. So this is how easily you can send the template to any user. As soon as the template is sent, immediately I receive two. And one more thing, at the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful secret that how you can send this WhatsApp templates to 100 or even thousands of your contacts by just one click. So watch this video till the end. Now we will go back to our flow. As you can see that this template includes two quick buttons, that is Plan My Wedding and Talk to Expert. Now whenever the user will click on this Plan My Wedding button, then the bot will send them this message: congratulations, we are thrilled to help you plan your dream wedding with one quick button by the name of wedding packages. So for setting up this type of message, you have to take this text button from here and write the message content in this enter message field, as well as add the quick button with the help of this plus add button and give the button name. So this is how you can do the setup of this type of message. Moving forward, when the user will click on this wedding packages, then the bot will reply to your users like this. So for setting up this type of message, again you have to take one text button, just drag this box here. After that, enter the same content that I have entered here. See, this is how easily you can enter the content. Next, click on this plus add content. After that, select the content type as media. Once you select it, next you have to select the media type as image and just click on this button. After that, click on this add new image and upload one image related to your business. I already uploaded some. Let's say I want to upload this one, so I am selecting this option and clicking on this insert button, and this is how easily you can insert the image inside this node. After that, in this enter caption box, you can write the same and add one button by the name of book now. See, it is setted. Now for adding two more wedding types, again you have to click on this plus add content button, select the content type as text button, write the same content, again click on this plus add content and select the content type as media, and do the same that we have done here. So this is how easily you can set up this type of message. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is contact custom field. I have used the three contact custom field node here. See, for getting this contact custom field node, you have to click on this actions option and click on the set custom field. This is how this nodes look like. Now why I have used this node here? So I use this contact custom field node for giving the personalized replies to each users completely based on their selected choice. As you can see that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as an event type, but only change the value completely based on the event that I have entered here. You also have to set the contact custom field based on the event. This will help your bot to provide personalized message to your each user completely based on their choice. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Moving forward is the question node where I ask my user to share their full name. So for setting up this question, you have to take this ask question button from here. Just enter the question in this field. After that, select the contact custom field based on the question. Next, select the format from here. After that, the number of attempts. See, number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will re-attempt the question that you have right in this field. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to the bot in the correct format that you will select from this list, for example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then on those type of cases, you can increase the number of attempts for your user so that they can re-attempt the question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. As an example, I have given the number of attempts as 2 and enter the validation message is this, that please enter your full name correctly. You have only one attempt left to submit your name. So this is how it works. And in this next question box, I ask the user to share their contact number. That's why selecting the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of the boxes if you want to. In this question node also, I have given the number of attempts as 2 and entered the validation message. Lastly, in this node, I have write that can you let us know your wedding date. We want to make sure everything is perfectly planned for your special day. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as date and the format as any. And lastly, in this text button, I have entered as thank you, your wedding consultation has been successfully confirmed, name with dollar symbol, full name, date and contact number. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before some fields as it is a contact custom field symbol. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name or select the event type, then with the help of this contact custom field or event type and full name, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response and mention their provided name in this place. Just like this, as here I have shared my full name as a smart user, it will automatically mention the smart user here, wedding date, my contact number and the wedding type too. Exactly based on my input. It is only made possible with the help of this dollar symbol and the contact custom field node. So now I think you will better understand how it will works. And the last button is talk to expert. If the users wants to directly communicate with the wedding specialist, then they will click on this button. Then the bot will share them the contact information. That was the exact information I have entered in this enter message box. So this is how easily you can do the setup of WhatsApp chatbot inside Pabbly Chatflow. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. And as I told you earlier, I have designed this flow by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. Now comes to the most important part, that how you can send this templates to hundreds or even thousands of users. So to do this, you have to go in this broadcast feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the fastest and the easiest way to send a WhatsApp broadcast message to your multiple users. If you want me to create a separate tutorial of how you can broadcast this template, then comment it. I will create a video on that too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.